Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how an interactive teller machine, or ITM, works step by step. An interactive teller machine is like an advanced ATM, but with one major difference. It can connect the customer with a real bank teller through live video and audio support. Because of this, customers can complete many banking services faster, more conveniently, and with extra help whenever needed. First, the customer walks up to the ITM and touches the screen to begin. The machine displays a welcome screen and guides the customer to start the banking process. Next, the customer chooses the required service from the touchscreen menu. For example, they may select cash withdrawal, cash deposit, check deposit, account inquiry, fund transfer, loan payment, or other banking services. After that, the customer logs in securely. This can be done by inserting a debit card, entering account information, or using another approved access method. Then the customer enters the PIN to confirm that they are authorized to use the account. Then, for assisted services, the ITM may verify the customer's identity. It can use a camera, microphone, ID scan, or security questions. This step helps protect the customer's account and keeps the transaction secure. After identity verification, the ITM can connect the customer to a live teller. The teller appears on the screen and communicates with the customer through video and audio, just like a face-to-face banking conversation. Next, the live teller helps process the transaction in real time. The teller can guide the customer through withdrawals, deposits, transfers, bill payments, account updates, and other service requests. Then, the ITM handles cash and checks through its built-in modules. It can accept cash deposits, scan checks, and dispense cash safely. This makes the machine useful for both self-service banking and assisted banking. Finally, when the transaction is completed, the account is updated instantly. The customer receives a printed receipt or a digital confirmation, and the banking task is finished. So, an ITM combines the convenience of an ATM with the personal support of a live bank teller. It offers video teller assistance, extended banking hours, multiple banking services, and secure transactions for a better banking experience. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.